Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x plus y is equal to 4. X power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 64. To find the values of x and y's from these two systems of equations. Now in the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Then from this equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 4, we'll start by squaring in both sides. So the square of x plus y, it is x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 4 square, it is 16. Then we'll take this 2xy into the right side. So it will be this, which is x square plus y square is equal to 16. This will take to the right side to be minus 2xy. Then this we call this equation 3. Then in the next step, again from this equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 4, into this step we'll power by 3 in both sides, whereas in the first step we'll power by 2 in both sides. So into here we'll power by 3 in both sides. So the cube of x plus y, it is x power 3 plus y power 3 plus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to 4 power 3, it is 64. Then in the next step, it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 plus, into here 3xy is common, so we'll take 3xy out of bracket. This divided by this is x plus this divided by this is y, bracket is equal to this 64. Then in the next step, it will be x power 3 plus y power 3, then plus 3xy. This x plus y inside the bracket is from equation 1, whereas x plus y is equal to 4. So into here we substitute 4, so it will be times 4 is equal to this 64. Then it will be x power 3 plus y power 3 plus 4 times 3 is 12. So it will be 12xy is equal to this 64. Then in the next step, this will take to the right side. So it will be this, which is x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to 64. This will take to the right side to be minus 12xy. So this we call this equation 4. Now in the next step, we'll take equation 3 times equation 4. Now from equation 3, in the left side, it is x square plus y square. So it will be x square plus y square, bracket, times equation 4 in the left side, it is x power 3 plus y power 3, bracket is equal to, in the right side in equation 3, it is 16 minus 2xy. So here it will be 16 minus 2xy, bracket, then times, in the right side is this 64, then minus 12xy, bracket. Then in the next step, it will be, we'll take this times this, so it will be x power of 5 plus this times this, it will be x square y power 3, this times this, it will be plus x power 3 y power 2 plus this times this is y power of 5 is equal to this, which is 16 minus 2xy, bracket, times 64 minus 12xy, bracket. Then in the next step, we'll take this plus this, so it will be x power of 5 plus y power of 5, then plus this into here and here, x square y square is common, so we'll take out of bracket. Then from this divided by this, it will be x plus this divided by this, it will be here y bracket is equal to this, which is 16 minus 2xy bracket, then times 64 minus 12xy bracket. Then in the next step, it will be into here, we'll substitute here x plus y is from equation 1, which is 4. So it will be also into here. Here we multiply equation 3 times equation 4, so as we can get this x power 5 plus y power 5. X power 5 plus y power 5 is from equation 2, which is here equation 2. X power 5 plus y power 5 is 64. So into here we substitute 64. So it will be 64 then plus this, which is x square y square times x plus y is from equation 1, which is 4. So here it will be times 4 is equal to this, which is 16 minus 2xy bracket, then times 64 minus 12xy bracket. Then from here and here 4 is common, so we'll take 4 out of bracket. This divided by this is 16 plus this divided by this, 4 and 4 will cancel, so it will be left with this. So it will be this, which is x square y square bracket is equal to, here we'll write this, which is 16 minus 2xy bracket. Then from here also 4 is common, so we'll take 4 out of bracket. Then 64 divided by 4, it is 16 minus 12 divided by 4, it is 3, so it will be 3xy bracket. Then from here 4 is in this side and in this side, so this 4 will cancel this 4, so it will be 16 plus x square y square, same as xy bracket square, is equal to this, which is 16 minus 2xy bracket, then times 16 minus 3xy bracket. Then in the next step, from this equation here, we can see xy is common, so we'll let's say u is equal to xy, so it will be 16 then plus u square is equal to 16 minus 2u bracket 16 minus 3u bracket. Then in the next step, it will be 16 plus u square is equal to 16 times 16 is 256. 16 times negative 3u, it will be negative 48u. Negative 2u times 16 is negative 32u. Negative and negative is positive, so 2u times 3u, it is 6u square. Then in the next step, from here we'll take this 16 plus u square into the right side. So when we take this u square to this side here, it will be 16u square minus u square, it is 5u square. Then from here negative 48u, negative 32u, it will be negative 08u. Then this 16 we take to this side, it will be 256 minus 16, it will be positive 2, here it will be 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 240 is equal to 0. Then from this equation, this quadratic equation, it can be divided by 5 here in both sides. So 5u square divided by 5, it is u square. Then minus 80u divided by 5, it is 16u. Then plus here 24 divided by 5, here it will be 4, left with 4, it will be 40 divided by 5 is 8 is equal 0 divided by 5 is 0. Then from this quadratic equation, this can be solved by grouping and factorization. so it will be u square minus 16u. This is same as minus 12u minus 4u is minus 16u. Then plus this 48 is equal to 0. Then from here u is common, so we'll take u out of bracket. U squared divided by u is u. Negative 12u divided by u is negative 12 bracket. Then into here we'll take negative 4 out of bracket. Negative 4u divided by negative 4 is u. 48 divided by negative 4, it will be negative 12 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here u minus 12 is common, so we take u minus 12 bracket out of bracket. This divided by this is u. This divided by this is this negative 4 bracket is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, whereas the first solution is u minus 12 is equal to 0, and the second solution is this u minus 4 is equal to 0. Then from here we take negative 12 to the right side, so it will be u is equal to 12, and here we take negative 4 to the right side, it will be u is equal to 4. Then from here we get the values of u. Then we recall, before we let u is equal to, from this equation here, before here we let u is equals to xy, so we substitute u, which is xy, so it will be xy is equal to 12, and here xy is equal to 4. Then we'll use this equation. This and this will compare with the first equation, whereas the first equation, it was this x plus y is equal to 4. So from x plus y is equal to 4, and also in here we'll compare with the first equation, x plus y is equal to 4. Now from these two equations here, we'll find the value of x minus y. So as when we get x minus y, with this x plus y, we can solve simultaneous equation so as to get the values of x and y. Then from these two equations, to get x minus y, we'll apply algebraic rule, which is x plus y bracket square, then minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4xy. So into here, x plus y, it is this 4, so it will be 4 square, then minus this x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times xy. Xy, it is this 12, so it will be times 12. Then it will be 4 square, it is 16, minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times 12 is 48. Then this we take to this side, it will be this, which is minus bracket x minus y bracket square is equal to 48 minus 16 is 32. Then we divide by negative in both sides. This will be positive, this will be negative. Then for this square, we'll apply square root in both sides. So this square root will cancel this square, then it will be x minus y is equal to, into here it will be square root of negative 32. Here it will be plus or minus. Square root of negative 32 is same as 16 times 2 is 32, then times negative 1. So it will be x minus y is equal to plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Then this square root of 2 times square root of negative 1 is I. Now into here we'll get the value of x minus y. Then into here also we'll get the value of x minus y. We'll use this same equation here, same rule. So x plus y, from this second solution, x plus y is 4. So it will be 4 square, then minus xy bracket square. So bracket x minus y bracket square is equal to 4. then times xy is 4, so it will be 4 times 4. Then it will be 4 square is 16 minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. Then we take 16 to this side, it will be this, which is minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 16 minus 16 is 0. Divide by negative in both sides, here to be positive. 0 divided by negative 1 is still 0. Then we apply square root in both sides. So this square root will cancel this square, then it will be x minus y is equal to square root of 0, it is 0. Now into here we'll get x minus y and here x minus y. Now we can compare with the first equation, which is x plus y is equal to 4, and here x plus y is equal to 4, the first equation. So this equation will compare with x plus y is equal to 4, and here this second solution will compare with x plus y is equal to 4 as the first equation in our problem. Now to solve from this first solution here into this simultaneous equation, into here we have x, we have plus or minus. Because we have plus or minus, so when it is plus, so when x minus y is equal to this positive, so it will be positive 4 square root of 2i. Then this x plus y is equal to 4. Then we will add these two equations. So this plus this, it will be 2x negative y plus y is 0 is equal to this plus this, it will be 4 plus 4 square root of 2i. Then into here we divide by 2 in both sides, so this and this will cancel. Then it will be x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2, so it will be 2 square root of 2i. Now into here we get the value of x. To get the value of y, from this first equation here, x plus y is equal to 4. To get this y, we'll take x to the right side, so to be y is equal to 4 minus x. So from y is equal to 4 minus x, we have this, we already get the value of x, so to be y is equal to 4 minus x, which is this, so it will be bracket 2 plus 2 square root of 2i. So to be y is equal to 4, we take negative inside the bracket, so to be minus 2 square root of 2i. Then it will be y is equal to 4 minus 2, it is 2, then minus 2 square root of 2i. So this is the value of y. Then this is for x, this is for y. This is when it is positive. Now when this is negative, so it will be x minus y is equal to negative x minus y is equal to negative 4 square root of 2i. So 4 square root of 2i. Then this, which is x plus y is equal to 4. Then from here we'll add these two equations. So this plus this, it will be 2x negative y plus y is 0, so it will be equal to this plus this, it will be 4, then plus it will plus this negative to be minus 4 square root of 2i. Then into here we divide by 2 in both sides, so this and this will cancel. Then it will be x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2, then minus 4 divided by 2 is 2 square root of 2i. So this is the value of x. To get the value of y, from here, y is equal to 4 minus x. So from y is equal to 4 minus x, it will be y is equal to 4 minus x, it is this, so it will be bracket 2 minus 2 square root of 2I bracket. So into here it will be y is equal to 4. We take negative inside the bracket to be minus 2, negative and negative to be plus 2 square root of 2I. So it will be y is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, then plus 2 square root of 2I. So this is the value of y. Now the conclusion from the first solution. From the first solution, we have x1, y1 is equal to, when x, it is this 2 plus 2 square root of 2I. So here it will be bracket 2 plus 2 square root of 2I, comma, y, it is this 2 minus 2 square root of 2I bracket. And from the first solution, also we have this solution here. X, it is 2 minus 2 square root of 2I. So here x2, comma, y2 is equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 2I, comma, y2, it is 2 plus 2 square root of 2I. Now this is the answers from the first solution, whereas these are a complex solution because of they have I. When here it is 2, when this is value of y, this is value of x. When this is value of x, this is value of y. They are the same, and this, they are the same. Now to solve from this second solution here into this second solution, we have these two simultaneous equation. X minus y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 4. These are complex solution. Now from the second solution, x minus y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 4. We will add these two equations from the second solution. X plus x is 2x. Negative y plus y is 0, is equal to 0 plus 4 is 4. Then we divide by 2 in both sides. This and this will cancel. Then it will be x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then to get the value of y from this first equation here, x minus y is equal to 0, we'll take negative y to the right side. It will be x is equal to y. Now we already get the value of x is 2, so it will be 2 is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 2. So conclusion, x comma y, this x comma y, this first solution, second solution, this we call this third solution. So it will be x3 comma y3 is equal to 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2. This is the third solution, whereas this is the real solution, and these two are complex solutions. Now let's check for this real solution if it will satisfy our problem. Now to verify from our problem, which was x plus y is equal to, x plus y is equal to 4, x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 64. Now x is 2 plus y is 2 is equal to 4, so it is correct. X power 5, 2 power 5 is 32 plus 2 power 5 is 32. 32 plus 32 is 64. So this is correct. You can check also for this complex solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.